Hey developers, Harmonic is hiring for the associate QA engineer role. It is a hybrid job working at 3 to 4 days a week from our office in Bangalore. So the job location in Bangalore, but it is hybrid. And talking about the eligibility, B.Tech in electronics and communication with no active backlogs. Who is going to pass out and already pass out in 2024 or 2025 batch. Minimum 70% score during completion of the course means in degree. Knowledge in layer 3 networking protocol, Linux knowledge, advantage. It is a plus point. Script tools or languages Perl, Python, base, etc. Advantage high level of interpersonal skills, ability to communicate effectively with different groups, and fluent English. Here is the key responsibilities. Test multidisciplinary embedded system responsible for features end-to-end functional testing. Execute tests to verify functional behavior of the product and ensure their quality in agile environment. You will be contact with device under test development and QA engineers. So these are the basic skills and details. So end this video, apply fast, job link below in the description, and hit a like button and do comment and subscribe skillllayer for more job updates.